The valve equation. This was for the mathematical modeling of spool valve. If we see the main actuator circuit, so we have mathematically modeled this part. Okay. Now we will be modeling this part, the actuator portion. How we are gonna do it? So this is the actuator. So this is P1. This is P2. We have a few assumptions. Leakage is neglected. Losses, transmission losses, frictional losses, these are all neglected. Third, the initial volume of this part. Initial volume sides is same. Fourth, this initial volume is very greater than this. Because of the flow of fluid inside the actuator, we assume that this moves with a distance of y, the velocity of y dot, this acceleration, this part. Okay, so this one. Now fifth part is, or sorry, dot. It is just, we will not have this dot over here. This is just y. Now fifth is, the ports are matched. The metered ports are matched, means A port and B port are matched, which means they are the same. Means for the same pressure differential, the flow through A port, and for X, the flow to A port will be same as the flow through B port, right? And 6. The ports are critically matched. Critically matched means, at this point, let me define three things. Overlapped, underlapped, under, and critically lapped. Let me define these three things first. So this was the spool valve. How it looked. Only this metered ports I'm talking about. So if this is the width of the port, and this is the width of the land. So width of land is width of port. So width of land is equal to width of port is critically lapped. Width of land is greater than width of port, which will look something of this sort. So this is overlapped. Width of lap is less than width of port. Something of this sort. Underlapped. If I draw the flow versus spool movement. This is Q. This is spool movement. This is critically left. Okay. Even when the spool moves, the flow doesn't start. This is overlapped. This red one. This is the dead zone. But even with spool movement, the flow doesn't happen. This is white one is underlapped. The flow always happens even when this is in the dead center. So in reality, these graphs will not be this straight, but this will be bending like this. Okay, these will be smoother graphs. This will be like this. Okay. So these are the assumptions. Okay.